how you can include or exclude products from the main loop on your main shop page. So I'm going to then head over to my snippet, and here we have a snippet, and this snippet accesses the WooCommerce product query. It brings in this array of data in the queue, and what we then do is we do a taxonomy query on that array of data, and we just get the taxonomies. Then what we do is we do a taxonomy query, and we're now going to change the values in this taxonomy query, and we say, right, in this particular case, access the product category taxonomy, look for the field, the slug, then use these values to match against the slug. So in this case, we've said beanie and hoodies, and the operator is not in because we don't want the products to be in the selection. And then we set the taxonomy query again, and then the action runs, and when that action is executed, so we'll save changes and activate, and I'm going to go across to the website. So now you'll see that the beanies and the hoodies will no longer be available on the home page, which is exactly what we want. If we then, conversely, if we decided that we only want beanies and hoodies on the home page, we would simply then swap that operator from not in to in, and then head over to the shop page, refresh, and now you'll see that the shop page now only shows the beanies and hoodies. So that's great. That's how we can isolate the products in the shop. If I want to access the beanies though, what's going to happen now is that that query is going to apply site-wide. In this case, yes, so it's only going to show beanies and hoodies. So if I go to accessories, it's going to show that there are no products in accessories. And it's going to show that there are no products in music and t-shirt. It's only going to show the beanie and hoodies, which is not what I want. I only want to change that listing on the main shop page. So to fix that, I'm going to head over here to the code, and we're just going to add in right at the top. We'll just say if, and if it is the shop, is underscore shop. Then we want it to do something, and we're just going to wrap all of that into that if statement and save. And now when I go back to the website and I refresh, you will see that we still only have the beanies and the hoodies on the home page. But if I go to accessories, my accessories are now visible, now showing as normal. Everything else is showing as normal, except that the shop page has been targeted to only show the beanie and hoodie. And then also then, of course, if I go in the not in route, you will then see that if it's not in, then everything else will show now except the beanies and the hoodies. So if we're coming up to summer, I don't want the beanies and the hoodies, and now no beanies and hoodies on the website. So that's just one way how you can then target the products that you want displayed on the main shop page. If you and this selection could be by product tag. Here we could just simply replace then with a tag. So target the product tag taxonomy, and then the array here would be tags. So you could then include tags then of the products that you would like to have on the home page. So that might just be another way then of targeting the products. Right. I hope you found that useful, and thank you for watching.